A magnificent and sometimes enigmatic display unfolds above us as the night sky gets darker. With its glittering stars and celestial bodies, the vast night sky appears to many to be an endless canvas of wonder. As the moon begins to shine with extraordinary brilliance, imagine yourself standing beneath this celestial dome with your eyes aimed upward. This isn't just any night. It's one of those rare occasions when the universe gives a show like no other. We are about to witness a series of celestial events that will awe and inspire us in the coming months. The sky will be alive with incredible phenomena, from the awe-inspiring supermoons that will light up the sky to a rare, once-in-a-lifetime comet. As we plan to investigate these miracles, it's normal to ponder, what different mysteries does the universe have available for us? You won't want to miss these upcoming events, whether you are a seasoned astronomer or just someone who enjoys marveling at the night sky. Over the next 4 months, we will witness a variety of extraordinary and rare celestial events that promise to be the highlights of your journey to observe the night sky. These events, which range from captivating supermoons to impressive planetary conjunctions, exhilarating meteor showers, and rare comets, present one-of-a-kind chances to connect with the universe in profound and thrilling ways. We are here to explain everything you need to know so you don't miss any of these amazing sights. On August 19th, the super blue moon marks the beginning of our journey. The second full moon in a single month is often referred to as a blue moon. This is a rare occurrence because the lunar cycle, which lasts about 29.5 days, typically only allows for one full moon per month. On the other hand, if a full moon occurs on the first or second day of a month, there may be another one before the end of the month. This subsequent full moon is known as the blue moon, and such events are somewhat rare, happening each 2 to 3 years. A blue moon, despite its name, does not actually appear blue. Rather, it is a term that emphasizes the event's rarity. There are many different interpretations of the blue moon custom, which dates back to ancient times. A blue moon, according to one traditional definition, is the third full moon in a season with 4, rather than the usual 3 full moons. There are typically 3 full moons in each of the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. However, there are times when a season has 4 full moons, and the third one is known as the blue moon. Historical calendars and moon spotting practices serve as the foundation for this definition. As the third summer moon of 2024, the blue moon on August 19th will be of particular significance. However, this super blue moon is unlike any other blue moon. When the moon is at its closest point to Earth in its orbit, known as perigee, there is a supermoon. The moon appears approximately 14% larger and 30% brighter at this time than it does at a typical full moon. The increase in brightness is quite observable, despite the fact that the size difference may be subtle and not readily apparent to the naked eye. Supermoons occur several times a year and are relatively common. Nonetheless, a very blue moon, where both the supermoon and the blue moon match, is an uncommon occasion. A blue moon occurs approximately once every 10 years, making this a unique opportunity for skywatchers. A blue moon is an incredible sight to see. The increased brightness of the moon has a stunning visual effect that stays with those who see it. Imagine taking that sense of wonder and applying it to your everyday life. That's what mover globes is all about. These globes rotate smoothly with ambient light and a hidden magnet, providing a quiet and captivating display in your office or home. There are over 40 stunning designs available for mover globes, including an outdoor collection featuring planets, moons, asteroids, and constellations. These globes give you a fun way to keep your environment beautiful every day. We have a special offer for our viewers. At moverglobes.co.il, enter the code to receive a special discount. Let's look ahead to the upcoming events as we continue our journey through space. A partial lunar eclipse will be visible on September 17th across Antarctica, Africa, Europe, Western Asia, and the southeast of Russia. The Earth's shadow will only cover a small portion of the moon's disk for about an hour during this eclipse, which will be brief. The eclipse will begin in the United States at 10:14 p.m. It will end at 11:15 p.m. Eastern Time, Eastern Standard Time. September's night sky is filled with even more excitement thanks to this rare eclipse. The third full moon of the year will appear on October 17th. This will be the biggest of the 4 supermoons in 2024, giving people who watch the sky another chance to see the moon in all its glory. The Super Beaver moon on November 15th will mark the end of the supermoon season. Each of these supermoons offers a remarkable opportunity to notice various parts of the moon as it travels through different stages and good ways from Earth, featuring the powerful connection between our planet and its heavenly neighbor. Let's talk about a common inquiry. Can supermoons cause floods and tides? King tides are tides that are higher than normal and can be influenced by supermoons. A few days or so after a new or full moon, these typically take place. The shape of the coastline and the weather can influence the height of these tides. Even though a supermoon has more power, about 4% more power when the moon is at its mean distance, other environmental factors can affect the likelihood of flooding. Although supermoons do increase tides, their overall impact on flooding is dependent on other factors, such as hurricanes and other severe weather. There are 3 exciting celestial occurrences to anticipate in the coming weeks in addition to the major upcoming events. First, Jupiter and Mars will be close together on August 14th and 15th. The distance between the 2 planets in the night sky will be only 20 arc minutes, or about 1/3 of a degree, and they will appear very close together. They will almost be obvious to the naked eye. This close conjunction offers a spectacular view, despite differences in brightness that could cause visual confusion due to Jupiter's approximately 20 times greater mass than Mars. On August 15th, the best time to watch this event is before dawn. The Perseid meteor shower, one of the year's most anticipated, is another noteworthy event this month. Under ideal conditions, the Perseids can produce up to 100 meteors per hour during the peak night of August 12th and 13th. Find a spot away from the city lights with a clear view of the sky if you want to take in this celestial display to the fullest. When the sky is still dark, the best time to see the Perseids is in the early morning. You don't need any special equipment. All you need is some patience and a clear view of the sky. You'll see bright, fast-moving meteors coming from the Perseus constellation. Last but not least, the upcoming appearance of the naked eye comet C/2023 A3, Atlas, is another exciting occurrence to anticipate. This faint object outside of Saturn's orbit is getting closer to Earth as of early 2023. This year, in September and October, the comet is expected to be closest to both Earth and the Sun. While Comet A3 is currently visible with a small telescope, it is anticipated to become magnitudes brighter than Comet Neowise, which astonished observers in 2020. Stargazers will have a fantastic chance to observe Comet A3 at its closest approach early in October. Take a moment to savor the magnificence of the cosmos as you look forward to these amazing celestial events. Each of these occurrences provides a one-of-a-kind opportunity to meaningfully connect with the night sky and experience the grandeur of the universe.